Good morning. This is the demo which I am going to show you how we will connect our ProLinks professional level NVR with enterprise level cameras. So this is the one model which is coming under enterprise level, which is PL2NBC24. This is the camera, and this is the NVR which is professional level ProLinks NVR. This has 8 PoE port. So from one port I connected the camera, and the other one which is coming blue cable I connected to the laptop. So just I want to know what is the, for this NVR there is 2 IP. So just I am going to check this one, what is the IP for the camera. So I will go to configuration, network. So you can see showing internal NIC IPv address which is coming 192.168.254.1. So this is the NIC IP address for the camera series, and this IPv4 address which is enabled DHCP, this is for the your internet, means this needs to comes under your router IP address. Okay, so I check this one 192.168.254.1. so the camera needs to come under the same. So for this camera the tool which is coming EZ tools, so I double click. So the camera IP which is showing here 172.16.0.3 something, so I need to change this IP address. So I select the camera, go to right click, modify address. So this address I needs to change to the same. So 192 168 then 254. Up to here this needs to be same as the NIC card of NVR. Then after you can change, give this one any. So right now is 3, I given the same. So after I change this one 255 255 255 0 is normally subnet mask. It should be same for all the device all the time. So gateway which is the same as the 168 NVR NIC card 254.1. so password is admin. So this showing it is modifying this camera IP address. Let's see. It's modifying. It will take like 30 seconds to modify the IP address. So once it is modified, this one is showing modification failed. So what should need to do? This is the issue of the Ethernet IP address. So we will go from here, open network sharing center, change adapter setting, then go to Ethernet connection, properties. Okay, go to IPv4 address, use following IP. So this IP address now is coming 173.0.0. now its camera IP is 3. This one we can give 172, say like 1. Then when we put subnet mask it will change automatically. Then I put OK, I close, I come to the software again. Let's see, now it says 172.16. actually our this one is also same, modify. So when I give 192.168 254, now I put C3, 255 255 255 0 192 168 254.1. so the password which I am going to give admin. Okay, and after press OK. It's modifying. See, modification succeed. So before it was the issue, the Ethernet IP of the camera and the laptop, it was some difference. So now if we put refresh, now the IP change 192.168.254.3. okay. So now I am coming to this NVR. After you come to this NVR, then go to menu, camera, go to camera management page, go to 3, change this plug and play to manual, put the camera IP address. Now it's 3, so it's same. So on with the password is ADMIN. Suppose this password by default is admin. If you want to change it to some other password, you can give also. Now I press OK. See, the camera status is showing is connecting. Like it will take like 10 to 20 seconds or 30 seconds to connect this one. So it's showing connecting. Once it is connected, it will show like blue color status. See, now it's connected. Camera is here. See, our camera is here. So this is the way we are connecting this one.